Alright, so we're going to try something a little bit different, a different kind of experiment. I've always been curious. Rubbing alcohol. Water beads. Can you use water beads to suck up rubbing alcohol? Now, we're also going to go one step further, add some food coloring. So I'm going to put one water bead in each of these tubes because I have 4 different colors. Then we're going to add a little bit of rubbing alcohol to them. So I want to see if the water beads that are clear will soak up the colors. So I have green, blue, red, and yellow. I have 4 tubes. So each one.
Okay, so we are back. I've got Quentin with me, and this is the experiment I've started 6 days ago to see if we can make flammable Orbeez using alcohol and heat. So we added food coloring to any of these, or to 4 of these. This one, this one, this one, and this one. One of each color. This one is just the heat. Alright, before we pull them out and can actually see them, do you think they've expanded at all?
I don't really see anything expanded.
You can't see anything because...
I don't know.
know.
That one looks like it may have dissolved.
So this is kind of interesting, and it actually has not dissolved. What it did is the rubbing alcohol separated whatever is in food dye with the actual liquid. It's kind of weird. Like, it slightly tinted the alcohol, but if I give it a good shake, let's see. Oh, that's just weird. Oh, there's the Orbeez. Alright, so we're back. I got a cup to say no to drugs. Okay, let's start with the orange one. Alright, so this is flammable, so I'm going to try and get the Orbeez out, or all the liquid out, without dropping the Orbeez. And I want to see if the Orbeez has any color.
Now these were clear Orbeez when we started, right?
They were. Quentin wasn't here when I started the project, so. Alright, so we got an Orbeez there. Put this in here.
I want to see the Orbeez.
Probably fast forward through this part.
Oh, that's not big.
did grow a little bit bigger.
Can you see this one?
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that one definitely absorbs some color.
Yeah.
You can see. Alright, so the blue one's a little jelly, and just for comparison, we'll throw one that has nothing in it. These are the Orbeez we used, and I'll throw one in there. So size-wise, let's see. This one's a little jelly. Let's see. It's a little squishy. It's a little bigger. The orange. No, I don't see any size difference in the orange. The red. We may have to use a different lighter. Well, let's try a different lighter.
Yeah, let's try a different lighter.
Got a Bic. They're trusty Bics. Heat does not work to make them flammable. Alcohol. That almost looks like it's melting the Orby. Nothing. The blue one.
Nothing. It's sticky. Yeah, right. We have a line just leaving on the fan. Look how this one only absorbed. But it's the colors on the side. Dude, look at the streak. It's like yellow, blue, and green all in one. Mm-hmm. Try the red one. It's sticky too. Just turn them all together. Anything? Nothing? Nothing. Alright. Now, just
To go ahead and pull that out, just to prove that, you know, this is actually flammable and that we didn't swap anything out. Drip a little bit in there, see if it lights on fire. And it catches on fire. So Orbeez do not allow, it doesn't soak up anything that is flammable so far.
Just a little bonus video. Go ahead and light them up. We're going to see what actually happens. I've done it inside before. I'm not doing it inside ever again. You see the cup? Put some more in there. Look how that just automatically auto-ignited because it missed the heat of the metal pan. That is so cool. That's hot, right? Mm-hmm. It is very hot. That will burn you in the top. See, it just chars them and it turns them like yellow. It'll release yellow smoke if you do a lot of them at the same time. And you smell it. I don't know what kind of, it's some kind of super absorbent polymer they use. Alright, well, that's a little bonus video. All gone.